So hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another new video. So guys, today we discuss about Algorand crypto. Algorand is a proof of stakes blockchain cryptocurrency protocol. Algorand native cryptocurrency is also called Algo. History of Algorand. Algorand was founded in 2017 by Silvio Micali, a professor of MIT. Algorand is a composed of company and foundation. Algorand Foundation manages ecosystem growth, award funding, cryptographic research primitives, and chain governance and decentralization of the Algorand network, including nodes. The core development of the Algorand protocol is overseen by Algorand private corporation based in Boston. The Algorand test network was launched to the public in April 2019 and the main network was launched in June 2019. Research. The Algorand Foundation handles blockchain research for project. It is led by cryptographer Tal Rabin. Design. Algorand is intended to solve the blockchain trilemma that claimed by any blockchain system can have the most of three desirable properties: decentralization, scalability, and security. A system will all the three could run on nodes which each have only moderate consumers grade resources. Has transaction processing which scales with the total network resources rather than the resources available per node and could not be converted. Stackers who individually possess a large number of fraction of network total resources. Consensus algorithm. Algorand use Benjamin Agreement protocol that leverages proof of stake as a long of supermajority of the stake is non-malicious and the protocol can tolerate malicious users, achieving consensus without a central authority. Consensus Algorand require three steps of propose, confirm, and write the block to the blockchain. The steps are purpose, soft vote, and certify vote. The first phase. During the phase, a community of user in a system is selected randomly, thought in manner that is waited to propose the new block. The selection of communities is done via a process called cryptographic sortation, where each other determines whether they are not communicate by locally executing verify random function. If the VRF indicates that user is chosen, the VRF return cryptographic proof that can be used to verify that the user is on the community. The likelihood that given user will be communicate influenced by the number of algo tokens held by the users. After determining user if block selection communicate that user can build the proposed block dismantled into network review analysis during the phase.